All right, it's about time for an update, right? It's October of 2024. I've been doing this for, I don't know, how many years? Maybe 3. Planted a little baby Ficus Macrophylla, most beautiful tree in the world. I'll link a couple videos to this video to show you why. City of Richmond. This is how they treat their area. So, what's a brother to do? They got mad at me for coming out here and cutting the weeds down and planting some succulents. You can't do that. Really? Really? Anyway, so I was like, I'm gonna pull some civil disobedience here. I'm gonna break the law, baby. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna plant a big old ficus, but I planted a little one here. This is actually a seedling from a seed that came out of the ground off a tree in front of Michael Crichton's house in Santa Monica. A friend of mine, who I can't name, knows who he is, and he's the guy that collected those seeds. It's his favorite author. Does anyone know who Michael Crichton is? Some of you do, some of you don't. Probably most of you don't. Michael Crichton's the guy that wrote the book Jurassic Park. And, well, this tree was actually in the movie with the dinosaur eggs. And it's a huge, huge tree from Australia. It's going to be the biggest tree in all of Richmond in another 50 years. And it's going to be very important I get a high branching structure out of this. I've been trimming all the branches off. And now I'm going to trim some more. Right here, here, there. Well, maybe just there. Actually, maybe just this one, and this one. Get it a little higher. So let's do that right now. You can see what that's going to be like. See if I can film and cut at the same time. Watch the white ooze out. It's because it's latex. It's related to the rubber tree. That's latex right there. The white stuff. See that? Anyway, there's that one. And then there's this one. Get a little tighter. Come on, you can do better than that. You can do better than that, Gary. Right there. And one more. Force all the growth up on top. There. Now we have a higher branching tree. Because big giant trucks will come by here. You know how I know? I'll tell you how I know. Because I see it all day long. And they're high. They're high. And that's not from a marijuana thing. It's just physically being high off the ground. So we're gonna have to accommodate that by not having any branches out this way. We want them to go up over the trucks. I'll probably have to do this again. We'll have a big giant single trunk. So this will keep happening. I could probably go root these right now if I wanted to. I might just do that. Why not? Because you're gonna want to come down and buy some. But anyway, I made a promise to all these people that said, Gary, since we don't ride our bikes by your nursery very often, give us an update on what you're doing with the big ficus. And that's what I'm doing with the big ficus. There you go. Now you know. Thanks a lot for watching. See ya.